Good Sunday evening. Looking out to our northwest, can hardly even tell that there are severe storms just off to our east. It's a nice night here in St. Joseph right now, and we are currently hanging out in the 80s, 81 degrees right now. That dew point still at 75, so it's still feeling pretty muggy out there. Humidity 82%, feeling like 86 degrees out there right now. We do see temperatures all around the region sitting in the 80s. 81 here in St. Joe, 82 in Avenue City up in Maryville. They've cooled off to around 80 degrees. They should be cooling off even more as these storms come through during the overnight hours. And so we are continuing to keep an eye on these areas where we are seeing the severe thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorm watch for all of these areas in blue. That does include areas of Andrew and DeKalb County as we are heading through the overnight hours. This should be over by 11. We will keep you updated with that here from the Storm Tracker 26 Weather Center. But we also have a severe thunderstorm warning for areas of Nottoway County, mainly just the northeast corner. So that does not even include Maryville right now. But we will keep you updated if that does continue to move that way, which it looks like it possibly could. As we've been tracking these storms, they are generally moving to the south, but here's what we're watching. These are starting to build off to the back, and as those are happening, it could be moving just a little bit more to the south. So we are going to continue to watch this as it moves into areas of Nottoway County, possibly Andrew and DeKalb County. As we are heading through the evening hours, it looks like here in Buchanan County, most of us will probably miss it. Also Donovan and Brown County probably missing the severe threat as well for tonight. But this area of yellow, this is where we are seeing our best shot for some severe weather here in our area, mainly just those isolated storms as they begin to move through the overnight hours, and mainly our severe threat looking like high wind, also some very heavy rain and lightning with these. Not seeing much in the way of hail reports from most of these areas that have already seen the storms come through. So that is the good news. Also very low chance for a tornado. But as we take a look at our futurecast, we are seeing that line of storms kind of begin to move through this evening. That's going to go through, and then we're going to start to dry out for the overnight hours, starting to clear out. This is around 3 a.m. Clear skies around our area, and it's going to get a little bit cooler as we're heading into tomorrow. Clear skies for the wake up tomorrow, so remember to bring the umbrella as you are headed out to work for tomorrow. The clouds begin to move through, also some scattered storms, so that's by lunchtime. Still might need the umbrella, but what we're really talking about is moving into Monday evening, into early Tuesday morning. We're going to start to see more of these storms firing up. This is by 11 p.m. Those storms begin to move into areas of northwest Missouri, and we're going to continue to see that overnight into early Tuesday morning. And really Tuesday, we're going to be dealing with these storms for most of the day. So it's looking like a pretty stormy day. We could also see the possibility for some very heavy rain as all of this comes through most of the day on Tuesday. So that's what we're continuing to watch on Tuesday. Also, as we're heading into Wednesday and Thursday, expect to see the possibility for some of that stormy activity through the rest of the forecast period, really up until we hit around Friday. So for tonight, we are getting down into the 60s, 68 degrees. Chance for isolated storms, mostly clear by tomorrow. Another chance for those thunderstorms pretty much all day. Heat index feeling like 90 to 95, but cooling down to 87 for our high temperature. And for the next 7 days, we're going to be cooling down nicely. 82 by Thursday, and then check out Friday, 79. But we are keeping a chance for storms in the forecast pretty much all week.